Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple trick in Power BI that's really useful if you ever need a value, like a region name, to show up multiple times in your tables or visuals. Maybe you're putting together a report and you want to see your region listed across different dates, products, or data points, instead of only appearing once grouped together. If that sounds helpful, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it and understand why it works the way it does. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Power BI file. For today's example, I'm using a sample report that has two parameters set up on a table, one for the sum of quantity and another showing the region. Right now, you'll notice that with just those two, Power BI only lists each region name once with its corresponding sum. That's the standard behavior because Power BI, by default, groups your data by whatever fields you've added. So you get one row per region, but maybe that isn't enough detail for your needs. Now let's say you want the region name to show up more than once. For example, let's say you want to see each region for every date or by each product, not just as a single summary row. Here, the trick. All you need to do is introduce another parameter, like date or product, into that visualization. As soon as you add a new field that has multiple values for each region, Power BI will automatically create more rows, effectively repeating the region name for every unique combination. Think of it like a school roster. If you only have a student's name in your list, they'll only appear once. But if you add another column for each class period, then a student's name could show up again and again, once for every class they take. That's how adding a new parameter changes the structure of your table in Power BI. Now, a quick word of guidance: not every parameter will actually give you that repeated region name. For example, let's try adding count of order ID. This field might look like it's going to give you extra rows, but if it doesn't actually increase the distinct combinations in your table, maybe every single order is already summed by region, you won't see those region names duplicated. So you want to experiment with fields that actually break out the data further, like product names, dates, or salesperson. Don't worry if it doesn't seem to work the first time. Sometimes it takes a little exploring to find the right field that creates enough detail in your data. And if you ever see the region name still only shows up once, that probably means the field you added isn't increasing the data's granularity. And that's really all there is to it, just remember. To have a name like a region show up more than once, you need to add another parameter that slices your data further. It's quick, it's easy, and it opens up a lot of flexibility for your reports, especially when you're trying to analyze details by multiple categories at once. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Leave a comment below with any Power BI questions, or let me know what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. And of course, if you want more practical tips like this one, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.